Hi, my name is Dan Miller. God, it's going to feel good. A lot of people have asked me after I've shown some pictures of before and they see me after that I motivated them. So hopefully I can motivate you too. I've come down from 250 pounds with a 40-inch waist down to 180 pounds with a 30-inch waist, or at least pant sizes. My waist or my stomach was at 51 inches and now it's roughly 39 inches. So another 10-11 inches off the waist. Feels great. When I turned 56 last year, I said to myself, after taking a picture in the mirror, man, did I look big. I didn't realize I looked that big. You know, you never know what you really look like until you look at yourself in a mirror or take a picture and then look at it and say, holy cow, man, did I gain weight. I mean, I used to weigh 178 pounds before I got married in 1983 with a 30-inch waist. And I mean, they wanted to put me on the Fat Boy program. I had to go up there and measure my bicep and say, okay, you can have 180. But that was a long time ago. Over the years, I put on a lot of weight, as you can see in the picture. So I said to myself at 56, Dan, man, you're big. If you're going to get back into shape and lose weight, you got to do it now. If not now, when are you ever going to do it? Because I put it off for so long. So many times my wife got frustrated with me when I joined the gym and didn't go. Or I went a couple times and didn't go after that. And, you know, last time I joined the gym, she said, you going to go? I said, yeah, I'm going to go. Well, I signed up for the gym when I was on the road. And I planned on going. I went and looked the gym over. Yeah, it wasn't so crowded. You know, it gets crowded. And I couldn't go to the gym. It took me a month and a half, because I kept trying to get up early to go to the gym before going to work. And I worked day shift, so it was hard to do. I couldn't do it. I tried and tried. Next, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I didn't do it. Anyhow, so eventually I put my gym bag, everything I needed in the gym bag, in my truck, went to work. After work, I went to the gym. After a couple of months, I started feeling good, and people were looking at me. You know, I was working out. You know, I am old, and you know, the weight started to come up. And once I got geared up after that, it was like, man, this is my world. You know, I own this place. And I went every day for the last 9 months. I might have missed a week tops. And I feel great. And when people ask me, you know, some people think I'm taking steroids. I'm not that big. You know, I got some good genetics, and I work out pretty hard when I work out. So I'm bringing you this video to hopefully to motivate you. Also, I'm going to have future videos. Sunday, I plan on having a video out how I meal prep. You know, how I weigh out the meals for the week. Or for 3-4 days, depending on what I plan on doing or how much time I got off. The hardest part's, you know, you might as well plan your meals for the week if you can, because it takes time to go shopping, it takes time to cook, and the food will last for a week. Yeah, it gets repetitious, but man, when you get it done, you're done. So we'll do meal prep on the next video. The way I do it, season it the way you want. We'll get into that. So buy yourself a scale. Get yourself some small Tupperware, you know, because there's not going to be big portions. It's small portions where you eat 3-4 meals a day, depending on how you feel. And you have to adjust the carbs to, if you're feeling tired, to get more energy. And you start to figure out your body after that. But yeah, we'll get videos on that. Also, I plan on getting some workout videos, at least to show you my routine, how I work out, because it seems to be working well for me. I do pyramid style on everything I do, and I do warm-ups first. I gradually take the weight up, and then I bring the weight down fast, without any rest in between, or minimal rest in between, just by taking the weights off and racking them back up again. Everything's been working out pretty good so far. The hardest thing I have is, when I travel to different states, I gotta go to a different gym. So the gyms are set up a little different. I gotta get used to the way the gym's set up. Some have leg press machines, some don't have leg press machines. Some have weights, they go to dumbbells 70, 80, other ones only go to 60, but I make do. And you don't want to work on real heavy, especially when you're, over 30, 40, 50, knocking on 60 or 60. This will work for everyone. You just got to know your body after time and figure it out. So hopefully this will motivate you. You can see my before, you can see my after, what I look like now, and join me on my journey. My journey is to get my abs by September. So I'm taking pictures now. I didn't take pictures before every day, and I should have. I've seen some YouTubes that showed it, but I didn't do it. But now, at this weight, I'm taking pictures every day to show you a transformation, quick transformation. Hopefully it only takes me a month, and we'll get there together. In between times, let me know feedback. If the video, I can do more. Or if you have any questions, if you need information on how to meal prep, or what workouts will work best for you, I can try to help you out on that without knowing you. Send me a picture, and I'll let you know. We'll get into the supplements I take later on. Some of them, I do myself, because some of the stuff on the outside, you don't know what you're taking. So I know what I'm taking, and my body's responding to it. So if you would, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in the future I'll bring you some videos. Look forward to this Sunday, a video on meal prepping. So let's get it together. If you're out of shape, or you're not in shape, or you're in shape but your father's not in shape, this is for people that want to get in shape. Motivation for family members that you want to get into shape, or your parents, whoever's out of shape and you think they might want to get back into shape and they need a little bit of push to get back into shape. Link them up to my video, to my YouTube site. Have them subscribe also, and send me messages, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Anyway, let's get out there and get in shape, and let's work out. Great.